We're moving towards the next type, clear. We are talking about roots of noun. Roots of noun, clear. We're talking about roots of noun. How many roots of noun do we have? There are 4. Number 1, we call it types of nouns. Number 2, cases of nouns. Number 3, number of nouns. And the 4th one, we will talk about genders of nouns. Excellent. Gender, clear, of nouns. These are the 4 roots of nouns. To understand a noun, clear, for example, if I write down here boy, or for example, he is a boy. He is a boy. Now, can we see here, boy is what? It's a noun. First of all, it's a noun. We must know how many things? We must know 4 things. Clear? 4 things should be known to you people related to a single noun. First of all, what type of noun is boy? What case of noun is over here? What number of noun is this? Or what gender of noun it is? So to understand a noun more perfectly fine, there are 4 things that you should know about it. Clear? So first of all, we'll be talking about types of nouns, then we'll move toward cases of noun, number of noun, or gender of noun. Types of nouns, what type of noun it is. So we'll be covering in the class 7 different types of nouns. Clear? How many types of nouns? 7 types of nouns. So the first type of noun we will be covering up, that is called what? Compound noun. Common noun. Very good. Proper noun. Collective noun. Abstract noun. Excellent. Material nouns. Alright, concrete nouns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 types of nouns. In the class, we'll be talking about all different types of nouns. So noun has got how many types of noun? We have got 7 different type of nouns. So the first one, we call it what? Compound noun. Clear? This is called what? We call it compound noun. So we are going to come towards the first type of noun, and that is called compound noun. What is compound noun? Compound, the word compound means more than one. The word compound means what? More than one. Clear? Very good. So compound noun, today we want to talk about compound nouns are those nouns. Compound nouns are those nouns. They are made of more than made of 2 or more than 2 words. What did I say? Compound nouns are those words are made of what? Are made of, clear? 2 or more than 2. More than 2 words. What did I say? Compound nouns are those nouns, they are made of 2 or more than 2 words. What we say? Are made of 2 or more than 2 words. If you focus on the last words, what we have written here? Words. We did not write down more than 2 nouns. What did we say? Are made of 2 or more than 2 words. At the end we have written what? Words. For example, suppose, why did we have used here words? If I say 2 words noun, bus, this is bus, and if I say driver, how many nouns do I have? Word number 1, this is noun, this is noun. 2 nouns are here. So this is 2 nouns, but look at here, if I say brother, clear? Brother-in-law. So brother-in-law, this is one word, this is another word. This is noun, but this is also noun, but N is not a noun. So that's why we cannot say that compound noun is made of 2 nouns. Because this definition will follow this for this one, but it will not be followed for this one. So what we will say, that compound nouns are made of more than 2 words, not more than 2 nouns. Are you getting it? So the word is very important, because for example, if I say man, clear? Man of the match. So how many words do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Man is a noun, mate is a noun, but these two are not nouns. So that's the biggest reason we cannot say that compound nouns are made of two or more than two nouns. How we will define it? That compound nouns are made of two or more than two words. Are you getting it? Yes. Because it cannot be, compound noun cannot only be made of a nouns. It can be made of the combination of something else as well. Because for example, if I say dance, dance is what? It's a word. Dance club. So what is club? It's a noun. Clear? So this is a word, but combinedly we call it what? Combinedly we call it compound noun. But you cannot say that this is called two nouns. Compound noun is not made of two nouns only, but compound noun are made of two words or more than two words. Now again, I'm having two words, but the first word is what? The first word is a verb. The second word is what? It's a noun. So your definition first of all should be corrected. Clear? How can we define it? Compound noun is made of two. Clear? Compound noun is made of two or more than two words, not nouns. Are you getting it? Clear? Yes. Then if you come towards that compound nouns, clear? So compound noun has got types. What does it has? Types. Compound noun has got three types. How many types? Three different types. Type number one is called, clear, open compound noun. Number two is called close compound noun. The third one is called hyphenated, excellent, hyphenated compound nouns. How many types of compound nouns do we have? There are three different types of compound nouns. Number one, clear, open. Number two, close. And the third one we call it hyphenated compound noun. Now we are explaining what I mean by open compound, close compound, and the last one that is called hyphenated compound. Open compound noun, open, are those nouns, they are spelled as two words. How many words? Two words. Look, it's very easy to understand. Open compound nouns are those nouns, they are spelled as how many words? As two words. Clear? For example, if I say, look at here, the same example, if I say class, this is bus. Bus is a noun, driver is a noun, clear? This is one noun, this is another noun, there are two nouns, this is noun, this is noun. Now, can you people see here, this one noun is spelled as two words. How many words? It's spelled as two words. Can you people see the space here? Yes. Between the two nouns. So that's why we call it what? We call it open compound noun. When there is a space between two nouns, clear? This is noun number one, this is noun number two, but there is a space, we call it open compound noun. Yes. Are you getting it? Close compound noun. What are close compound noun? Close compound nouns are those nouns, they are spelled as one word. How many words? One word. There is no space between the nouns. That would be spelled it out as a single word. For example, if I say what? Classmate. Classmate. Can you people see? Classmate. Class is a noun, mate is a noun, two words are here, but there is no space between the two nouns. Are you getting it? So we call it what? We call it close compound noun. Close compound nouns are those nouns, they are spelled as how many words? One. They are spelled as one word. There is no space between the nouns. Are you getting it? For example, if I say, look, man, driver. Man, driver. So what is man is a noun, driver is a noun, but this is called what? Open compound noun because it is spelled as two words. Are you getting it? But if I say dish, dishwasher, dishwasher. So it's spelled as one word. There is no space between these two words. We call it close compound noun. Are you getting it? The third type we come towards it, that is called hyphenated compound noun. What I mean by hyphenated compound noun? Hyphenated compound. Do you know the word hyphen? This is called hyphen. This is called hyphen. A noun, a compound noun, it contains a hyphen. Compound noun, it contains a hyphen, is called hyphenated compound noun. For example, look, I have written, if I write down brother, clear, brother, hyphen, and law. Can you people see I have used hyphen here? So a noun, it contains what? It contains a hyphen, is called hyphenated compound noun. Clear? Yeah, clear, very good. So whenever you want to talk about, as I have written here, man of the match. Can you people see here? We have used what? Hyphens. For example, if I say editor, clear, and chief. Very good. Clear? So we are having hyphens here in the word. So whenever there are hyphens in a noun, we call them what? We call them hyphenated compound noun. So compound noun is what? First of all, we talked about the definition of a compound noun. Compound noun are those nouns that are made of two or more than two words. Very good. Then we talked about the types of compound noun. How many types do we have? Three types. Number one, open compound noun, closed compound noun, and the third one? Very good. Excellent. Now, the third lesson, which is very important for you people about compound noun, that is what we will be talking about, formation of compound noun. What we will be talking about? Formation of compound noun. How can we make a compound noun? This is a very quick question for us. We talked about compound noun definition. We talked about the types of compound noun. We want to talk about here the next topic, and that is called what? Formation of compound noun. It means how we people can form, how we people can make compound noun. So the first formation, that is very easy. You can make noun plus noun can make a compound noun. Two nouns come together, it makes what? It makes a compound noun for us. For example, if I say, look, the same, bus is what? It's one noun. Clear? If I say driver, what is driver now? It's another noun. Two nouns are here. So it makes what? Compound noun. Very good. Bus, driver. So two nouns can make compound noun. We can simply say noun plus noun is called compound noun. Clear? First formation, very first formation for you people is that when two nouns come together, clear, you put together and it makes a single noun, that is called compound noun. Clear? And that is formation is noun plus noun. For example, if I say class and I say teacher, what is class? No. It's a noun. What is teacher? No. It's a noun. So two nouns come together, it makes one new noun, and that is called what? Class teacher. Is it clear? Number second formation, we can have gerund. Clear? Gerund plus noun. Second formation, how can we form it? Gerund plus noun. What we want to talk about? Gerund plus noun. This is the second formation. Keep in your mind that compound noun can be the second formation, that is gerund and the noun. What is gerund? You will be talking, very good, verb plus ing. Yes. When it functions as a noun, later on inshallah in verb you will be talking in more detail. Clear? Verb plus ing, simply you people can say verb plus ing. Clear? Present participle form of the verb. When present participle form of the verb, it function is a what? Its function is a noun. That is called what? We call it gerund. Gerund is the verb plus ing form, but it does not function as a verb, it functions as a noun, then we can call it gerund. When we will call it gerund? When it function is a ing is a noun. Clear? So what we have, like for example, the first one, gerund plus noun. If I say for example swimming. Swimming is verb plus ing. Yes. Can I say pool? What is pool now? No. It's a noun. Gerund plus noun. It makes what? A single a new noun. Clear? And that is called what? Swimming pool. Compound noun. Swimming pool. Washing machine. Excellent. For example, excellent. Washing is what? Washing. Machine. What is machine? It's a noun. What is washing? It's a gerund. Washing machine. Clear? What else? Can you? Okay. Racing car. Interesting. Movie. Okay. Internal is not ing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so gerund is what? Verb plus ing. Clear? Verb plus ing is called gerund. So compound noun can be made of what? When there is gerund and there is another noun. Clear? Next, third way of formation of compound noun is what? When there is a noun, when you people have noun and you have got what? You have got gerund. Clear? Noun plus gerund. Before we talked about gerund plus noun, now we want to talk about noun plus gerund. For example, hand. What is hand? Noun. According to definition, I told you whatever you people can see, that is called noun. Can you see my hand? Yes. What is hand now? It's a noun. Hand. Or for example, if I say writing, what is writing now? Hand is a noun. Writing is gerund. So combinedly we call it what? Handwriting. What is handwriting? Computer programming. Excellent.
Hand washing.
Clear? Hand washing. All right. So this is computer programming. So computer is a noun, programming is a gerund. Clear? So three formation. Number one formation, it was noun plus noun. Second formation was gerund plus noun. Third formation, we talked about noun plus gerund. Fourth formation, we want to talk about, we can form compound noun by verb plus noun. Verb plus noun. Clear? So what we can say, for example, play, excellent. Play is what? It's a verb. Ground, what is ground? It's a noun. Playground, combinedly we call it what? Playground. So playground is what? It's a compound noun. For example, if I say, very good, I play in the playground. I play in the playground. Now which one is verb here in this sentence? Play. The first play, this is verb. But this playground is called what? It's a gerund. It functions as a noun here. This play is not a verb in this case. It's a part of what? It's a part of this noun, and combinedly we call it what? Compound noun in this case. Playground. Clear? Like for example, dance club. What is dance? Dance is a verb. Club, what is club?
No.
It's a noun. So dance club, combinedly we call it dance club. And dance club is what? It's a compound noun for us. For example, if I say she dances. She dances in a dance club. In a dance club. What is dances now? It's a verb. What is club? It's a noun. What is dance? It's a verb. Combinedly we call it what? Dance club is a compound noun. Are you getting it? But which one is verb in this case? Dance is called verb. Are you getting it? So how many formation, how many ways of we made, you know, formation of compound noun? Number one, noun plus noun. Number two, gerund plus noun. Three, noun plus gerund. Number four, verb plus gerund. Now, next, fifth way we can make compound noun, adjective plus noun. When there is an adjective and there is a noun, again we can make a compound noun. For example, if I say black, what is black? It's a noun, it's an adjective. What is tea?
Noun.
It's a noun. For example, green, what is green? It's an adjective. Tea, or your eyes, for example. Eyes. What is eyes? Eye is a noun. You can see my eyes. Can you people see my eyes? I can see with you people with my eyes, so you can see my eyes. Clear? Eye is called noun. It's a noun. And what we have here? Green eyes. So it's called, again, it is called compound noun. Clear? So the last way of formation of compound noun, we will be talking about hyphenated compound noun. Whenever you are having noun plus hyphen, again plus, clear, preposition plus hyphen, excellent, plus noun, superb. For example, if I say brother is a noun, hyphen, and is preposition, again hyphen, and we are having what? Law. So we call it hyphenated compound nouns. So we studied 5-6 types of formation of compound noun. Number one, that was what? Noun plus noun. Number two, gerund plus noun. Number three, noun plus gerund. Number four, verb plus noun. Number five, adjective plus noun. And hyphenated compound noun. These are the way how we people can formate that of your compound nouns. Now, the last topic we are talking about compound noun, how we can pluralize compound noun. This is the last way. This is the last one. After that we are going to wind up the compound noun. Clear? How we people can make that of your compound nouns. It's alright. I'm going to. The last topic we are having what? That is called how we people can make compound noun and to convert into plural form. Number one is clear. You have to pluralize the second noun. In compound noun, clear? In compound noun, we pluralize which noun? The second noun. Usually we pluralize when we want to convert a singular noun into plural one. When there are more, clear? And that is if there is compound noun, do not pluralize the first noun, make plural the second noun for yourself. For example, if I say bus, clear? Driver, it's singular. What would be the plural of it? Bus drivers. Bus drivers. Make the second noun plural, do not make the first noun plural form. Clear? Why? If somebody asks you question, why don't we make the first noun plural? Why do we make the second noun plural? So your answer must be like this, that the first noun in compound noun, it functions as an adjective.
Yes, sir.
What did I say? That the first noun in compound noun, it functions as an adjective, and adjective cannot be pluralized. What did I say? Keep in your mind that in compound noun we always make the second noun plural. We do not make the first noun plural. Clear? We make the second noun plural, and if somebody